दादा पीछे से थोड़ा हट जाइए प्लीज। मैम सेंटर सेंटर मैम यहां पे लास्ट भाई मैम सेंटर सेंटर मैम यहां राइट साइड मैम यहां सामने मैडम वन मोर हियर प्लीज मैम सेंटर एकदम सेंटर जी राइट साइड मैम ये ऊपर मैम ऊपर ट्विंकल जी लेफ्ट में मैम ऊपर मैम ट्विंकल जी पीछे ट्विंकल जी पीछे चले चले ट्विंकल जी साइड मैम मैम साइड मैम ये पीछे ना मैडम ट्विंकल जी सेंटर ट्विंकल जी सेंटर मैम राइट में मैम पीछे 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 ओ दादा ओ साइड लो गार्डन में घूम रहे क्या? अरे अरे मोबाइल पीछे रे मोबाइल अरे आगे मत जाओ आप आगे जाओ ए मोबाइल हट मोबाइल मैडम 2 सेकंड रुकिए ना प्लीज सोनम जी सामने अरे सोनम मैम इस तरफ चलो मैम चलो ये ब्रांडिंग में करते हैं ब्रांडिंग सोनम जी एक ब्रांडिंग आप पीछे जाओ यार पीछे अरे मोबाइल लगा पीछे आओ यार पीछे फुल लेन पीछे अरे फुल लेन नहीं मैंने पीछे आओ ना यार सोनम जी लेफ्ट में आपके सोनम जी लेफ्ट में मैम लेफ्ट में प्लीज सोनम मैम लेफ्ट में एक बार लेफ्ट में मैम थैंक यू
भाई इवेंट अंदर चालू हो गया प्लीज हम लोग को जल्दी है यार आप बाद में चलो एक्सक्यूज मी भाई साहब
तुम जानती हो हमें कितना मजा आया था इस फिल्म मेकिंग वर्कशॉप में। इरफान भैया, विक्रम भैया, तनुल भैया ने भी कितने अच्छे से फिल्म मेकिंग वर्कशॉप करवाई थी।
Yes, I remember. हम सबको बहुत मजा आया था. And now we are presenting She's Ambassador Journey film and 5 original film made by the participants of the program. जोरदार तालियां मैम. एकदम जोरदार तालियां. Now we calling those students on the stage जिन्होंने अवार्ड जीते हैं. अपर्णा हटेगर गुरु नानक स्कूल. जोरदार तालियां. दिव्या नायर विद्यानिधि इंग्लिश हाई स्कूल. रमशा खान इरला म्युनिसिपल उर्दू स्कूल. श्रेया टिंडियल श्रीराम वेलफेयर सोसाइटी हाई स्कूल. एंड शिवानी गौड़ संन्यासाश्रम हिंदी स्कूल. इन सब के लिए जोरदार तालियां. एक बार जोरदार तालियां. थैंक यू. रोहिणी कामले डीएन नगर मराठी स्कूल. रंचिता कौर विद्यानिधि हाई स्कूल. Shruti Ellen Tholi, Shriram Welfare Society High School. Vaishnavi Moite, Guru Nanak High School. Anamika Gupta, Sannyas Ashram Hindi School. Thank you and congratulations. Namira, students are never complete without the teachers. So now let's call upon stage our school principal, NBO West Ward, and our mentors from IDA Mumbai. Guru Nanak School, Juhu Gandhigram Municipal School, Vidyanidhi English School, and Vidyanidhi Marathi School. Zordar Talia. जोरदार तालियां हमारे प्रिंसिपल्स के लिए.
Thank you all. We are request following school to come on stage. HMW School, Oshiwara Municipal School, ADAP School, MA School, Daugbaug Municipal School, CW School, Nagar Municipal School. Please come on stage. संजना, तुमने वो कहावत सुनी है, टुगेदर वी कैन टुगेदर वी विल?
Yes, indeed. She's ambassador प्रोग्राम के लिए हमारे साथ कई लोग जुड़े और हम आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करेंगे कि आप उनकी हौसला अफजाई करें. We would like to call upon stage our partners of the program, Nazneen and Ruby from IDA Mumbai chapter,
Please clap from them.
Elsa from Red Dot Foundation, Irfan from Red Stone Film, and Vikram and Tanul for films.
Thank you.
On the dais. What can I say? I just want to say what a team. PVR Nest, Nazneen, Ruby, Dr. Nandita and her team. Today is your day and the culmination of this year-long movement, I should say, because I think what has happened here today is very significant. What started a year ago as just a thought has become larger than life, especially with the involvement of Padman. And I'd like to thank Twinkle and Sonam for being here today and making this really a big issue. You know, we couldn't speak about menstruation like this out in the open. And I think many of you sitting here haven't even spoken to your fathers about it or to your brothers about it. But today, I feel so empowered myself that we can stand here and talk about feminine hygiene, talk about menstruation, talk about wearing a pad and which pad is better and which pad is not. And it really makes you feel free, like it does so many of the young girls sitting here today. So I want to congratulate PVR Nest for making this happen, and all the partners who've actually made this happen in reality. I also want to congratulate all the kids who made this wonderful film, which will be aired in the PVR cinemas, and will reach out to millions of people. So thank you all for having me here and letting me be a small part of this movement. I feel completely honored and humbled to stand here on stage with all of you people who've made a difference to millions of lives. So thank you so much. And I think we all are waiting to hear Twinkle and Sonam speak about how they're going to take this forward. And so I won't take much time. I just want to tell PVR, don't stop here. Please carry this on. And we all are with you for anything you need. Thank you so much.
आपका धन्यवाद प्रिया मैम। संजना, तुम्हें कौन सा सुपर हीरो पसंद है, सुपरमैन या बैटमैन?
नहीं, मुझे एक स्पेशल पावर वाला सुपर हीरो पसंद है, पैडमैन। अब मैं हमारे स्पेशल गेस्ट ट्विंकल मैम को रिक्वेस्ट करती हूँ कि हमारे साथ व्यूज शेयर करें।
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and all you young girls right here. It's a great pleasure to be here. And I was amazed at looking at the wonderful movies you've made. I thought we were among the first to make a movie about menstruation with Padman, but you seem to have beaten us to that. I'd like to thank PVR and the She's Ambassador program for their forays into education. We talk about women's empowerment, and education is one of the fundamental foundations, and yet 20% of our schoolgirls drop out of school once they begin menstruating. I remember when I was in school, and I was in boarding school, so I didn't have my mother and my aunts to tell me what the whole process was. And one day in the school canteen, I realized that my uniform was stained, and I went running to the dormitory to change. I was lucky that I just felt embarrassed. But this August, a 12-year-old girl in South India was pulled up by her teacher for staining her uniform and her bench. She didn't drop out of school. She went home, jumped off her balcony, and committed suicide. And that is a level of shame and embarrassment around this simple biological function. So I'm hoping with Padman that we help alleviate a little of this shame and embarrassment. And with girls like you already getting education like this, that movement will go further and further. We are now relying on all of you young people to take it forward. Thank you very much.
Now we request Sonam ma'am, आप भी हमारे साथ आप views share करो।
नमस्ते। मैं बहुत ही खुश हूँ कि मैं यहाँ इस मंच पे खड़ी हूँ आप सबके साथ। थैंक यू एवरीबडी, थैंक यू सो मच। आपने हमें बुलाया और हम आप सबको देख के बहुत ही खुश हो गए हैं, आपकी फिल्म्स को देख के बहुत ही खुश हो गए हैं। और I'm so happy guys to see these films on hygiene, on cleanliness, on menstrual health. ये जो सारे जो मुद्दे के बारे में आप बात कर रहे हैं और आप फिल्म दिखा रहे हैं और बना रहे हैं, ये बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट और महत्वपूर्ण है. तो ये सब देख के मैं बहुत ही खुश हो गई हूँ. I'm so happy and so amazed at this program with PVR and with all you doctors and this whole amazing thing. So congratulations to all of you all. I think we need a big round of applause for the people who have done this. And the teachers and principals, because जब मैं स्कूल में थी, मैं आर्य विद्या मंदिर में थी, यहाँ जुहू में ही, एंड हमारे स्कूल में भी ये बहुत ही हमने बहुत इम्पोर्टेंस दिया था हाइजीन और क्लीनिनेस के बारे में. पर वी वर नेवर एवर टॉट अबाउट पीरियड्स, मेंस्ट्रुअल हाइजीन, कि हमारी पीरियड्स कभी आएंगी, क्या होने वाला है जब पीरियड्स आता है, क्यों ये बायोलॉजिकल फंक्शन क्यों है. सो जब बाल्की सर और ट्विंकल मैम के जो जब वो प्रोडक्शन हाउस दे ऑफर्ड मी दिस फिल्म, मैं बहुत ही सरप्राइज्ड हो गई कि हम ऐसी फिल्म बनाने वाले हैं. और मैं बहुत ही खुश थी कि हम इस मुद्दे पर एक फिल्म बना रहे हैं. और जब मैंने ये फिल्म की, आई वॉज वेरी प्राउड कि आई एम अ पार्ट ऑफ समथिंग लाइक दिस. आई एम श्योर ऑल ऑफ यू आर वेरी प्राउड टू बी पार्ट ऑफ दीज 1 minute films which are amazing and very educational. I can see someone saying yes about it. And मुझे पता है as a girl how important it is to feel confident about who you are. And being clean, hygienic, and being confident that having your period, there's nothing wrong with getting your period. There's nothing wrong with that. You need to understand that that makes you special. Because your body is ready to give birth at any point, and men can't do that, and boys can't do that. Only you can do that. So that makes you amazing and special, and I hope you continue doing this. I hope this program continues on, and all you girls and all you students and all you teachers and principals participate in this. So thank you so much for having us here.
Thank you,
Shukriya.
ma'am.
Thank you.
Now we request Dr. Nandita ma'am, आप भी अपने views share करें.
This is a fantastic moment for me. Besides menstrual hygiene, which everybody has talked about, I think the other point that we really touched was the mental health. वो भी एक important aspect है. As a doctor, we've seen कि, लड़कियों में, yeah, even children, any children, there are lots of mental issues. They feel inferior or they are traumatized by certain situations, जो हमें लगता है it's absolutely normal. I don't think I should try Hindi. Your Hindi was superb. But we should take care of the mental health also. Yes, hygiene is important, cleanliness is important, but I think that beautifully, which was shown, was the mental health of the girl, which we should not neglect. We should keep our eyes and ears open for them. As Twinkle said, this girl went and committed suicide. So you don't know how the children will take even one sentence from you. So we really have to nurture them and take care of them. And the signs were shown so beautifully in the film. I mean, you've shot the film fantastically. That girl, quiet, she's not mixing around. Everybody's playing around and she's sitting quietly. I think that really brings home a point, and it touched me. So, and girls, जब मैं आई थी आपके स्कूल में, and I saw the energy, the enthusiasm, and the girls blooming. I think that's what gives me more satisfaction, that the children enjoyed it. And they've become ambassador health clubs they've formed. It's amazing. I'm really happy. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I want to request Niharika Didi, आप भी हमारे साथ आप views share.
I'm so happy you called me Niharika Didi and not Niharika ma'am. So obviously this whole experience has been very overwhelming and very surprising, all in a very good way. I want to thank everybody for being here, because without everybody's support, something like this wouldn't have come together. We live in a very sensitive time, not just for girls, generally for our society, both in our country and in the world. And unfortunately, we are battling cultural reflexes that won't go away so easily. But it's things like this, it is conversations like this, it's movies like this, even if it's a feature film or a short film, that we can just play here, put out on our phones, in our homes. It's things like this that initiate such talk, initiate thought like this. So girls, everybody involved in this program, what you created was truly beautiful. You guys did an amazing job. Be proud of what you did. Be proud every day of who you are. I'm very proud to be here, and I'm sure everybody feels the same way. So thank you. Thank you so much.
We'll request you all. Sorry, Sanjana. Thank you so much. Thank you, all of you, and I request you, we are going to begin the trailer of the much-awaited Padman. Sanjana. हाँ हाँ हाँ. We're not doing the thank you note. We'll do it. Yeah. Not required. Not required. अच्छा, एक बार संजना और नमीरा के लिए बहुत जोर की तालियां दीजिए. और कुछ ही समय में इन्होंने ये तैयारी करी है. Thank you so much. I request the PVR team to just get ready for the trailer of the Padman. Thank you.